Get acquainted with the 2017 Mazda CX-5. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy the good life in this CX-5, the compact crossover with highline style. Its excellent ride and cornering prowess make this upscale SUV a delight on country roads, and its exceptionally quiet cabin creates a soothing oasis wherever the journey takes you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate. Take excellence with you wherever the road leads when you're behind the wheel of this outstanding CX-5. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.